in to another woolly review, and today we are doing So Crafty Baby Yarn. We're not doing the colour, although it's a lovely lemon colour. We are purely looking at the yarn itself. Now this is a chenille style, and it has been built up from a string, a thread, and then it has this tufting coming from either side to make the chenille, you know what I mean. Now this is originally bought from Aldi, and it was for £3.99, I do believe. And it does come with the blanket pattern as well. It doesn't tell you how many that you need though. Oh yes it does. The full 4 would make a baby blanket. But we're not here to make a baby blanket. We're here to find the end so that I can review it for you. So, pull it out the middle, pull it out the middle. I've got a feeling I've got yarn bath. Wow, that's some yarn bath. Okay, so first impressions, as any chenille, this is soft. It's nice and soft. It's not fluffy soft, it's just nice and soft. My gosh, it's yarn bath. Like when you start immediately with yarn bath, oh dear, oh dear. I do worry about frogging with this. I've only used a chenille type yarn once before and the frogging was awful, but I have hope. So I'm going to do something a little bit different with this one. If I can even see my stitches, which I am struggling, I'll admit. I'm struggling to see my stitches, but that's okay. I will get there. So it doesn't really say anything on the label, but everything will be down below that I can find. 100% polyester is all the information really that it gives, apart from that it's a super bulky 6. Yes, it's difficult to see your stitches, I guess, unless you're used to working with this kind of yarn. It might be difficult for you. Maybe. But it feels nice in the hand. It doesn't feel brilliant coming off the hook. It does feel like it's almost latching on a little bit, maybe. I don't know how to describe that. Like, it's not catching, but it doesn't feel comfortable on the hook. It's not sliding off brilliantly, but it's not bad. But boy, have I twisted that. Look at that twist. But we're not here to review my stitches. Nope, nope, nope. I'm going to put down my custom hook. Wonderful Jelena. Thank you so much, Jelena. I love it. She's down there in the description as well. So, slow. Okay. Fast. Okay. And not much kink. Not much kink. That's a bonus. Okay. So let's wrap this up. This will be going in my giveaway cube for future. And at least I've got rid of the yarn bath for you. I'm giving the skein a little bit of a waistband, but at least you don't have yarn bath. But I love the colour. But we're not here for the colour. We are here. It's quite tough. There's definitely no stretch to it, no give. definitely not. But it's a nice thing against skin. Definitely wearable. Definitely wearable. So, move the stitch markers. Christmassy glitzy stitch markers. Now on sale. Okay. Would I turn my back on it? Nope. Would I be quite unhappy, but oh, fine, if it was the only thing left? Nope. Would I be, yeah, that's okay, I'll use that. I think I'm going to go and do this. I think I'm going to do 3.5 little ladybirds. Just because. It's lovely, it's nice. The frogging worries me. Even doing that, the frogging worries me a little bit. And because it's a novelty kind of yarn, because it's a because of the chenille, it is a little bit difficult to see the stitches, but it's not bad. It is not bad. I definitely use it again, and I'd be more than happy to use it again, but it's not the best of the best. So this is my review for So Crafty Baby Yarn. If this was any use to you, please give a thumbs up, and maybe even you might be willing to subscribe down below. And if you are able to, if you are willing to, maybe I'll see you next time. Until then, bye bye.